This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Jerry Richter. Lakefront, furnished, immaculately clean 3-bedroom, 3-bath, 2-car garage 3rd floor end unit. Sought after Mirabel floor plan and Watercrest is poised in the middle of Lakewood Ranch overlooking 160-acre Lake Uihlein. Walking distance to Lakewood Main Street, with restaurants, boutiques, and more. Offered fully furnished, and 1-year home warranty provided. This unit has one of the best views from your living area, primary bedroom and large screen/covered lanai. Large wall-to-wall sliding doors to fully enjoy the amazing view of the lake. Primary bedroom also has access to the lanai, ensuite bath with soaker tub, separate shower, and dual sinks, with 2 large walk-in closets. Kitchen is spacious featuring tall wooden cabinetry, granite counters, and a breakfast bar integrated with the dining area, and great room open floor plan. Being an end unit, there are 3 large windows in the living area and lots of light. Guest bedrooms each have ensuite bathrooms. Bath number 2 tub/shower combination, and bath number 3 has a stand-up shower, and the 3rd bedroom has its own private balcony. Laundry room is off the hallway featuring a utility closet, full-size washer and dryer, sink, and built-in ironing board. Lakewood Ranch is an award-winning master-planned community, has glorious weather, and a perfect location to all. Golf courses, world-renowned Siesta, Lido, and Longboat Key, and Anna Maria Island beaches, boating, fishing, biking, walking trails, etc., hobbies you can enjoy year-round. Short drive to UTC Mall and numerous restaurants. Downtown Sarasota, a jewel of a city with hip chic vibe, historic Bradenton, wonderful restaurants and rooftop bars, and cultural venues to explore. Several international airports within an hour drive or less. Welcome to the Gulf Coast of Florida, a lifestyle second to none. For more information, review the details below or contact